Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about standard form or scientific notations. Standard form or scientific notations. What is standard form? Product of a decimal number and an exponent of 10 is known as standard form or scientific notations. For example, 5.1 into 10 raised to power 6. This is the product of decimal number and exponent of 10. This is the decimal number and 6 is the exponent of 10. Let us discuss the decimal numbers greater than 0, less than 10. For example, 2.1, 3.5, 6.8, 9.9. These numbers are greater than 0 and less than 10. Let us discuss the numbers less than 0. For example, 0.001, 0.002, 0.0005. These numbers are less than zeros or less than 10. When a number is written in scientific notation, when a number is written in scientific notation, say A into 10 raised to power n, the decimal number A is always greater than 0, and less than 10, and n is always an integer, and n is always an integers. That is A into 10 raised to power n. Here A is the decimal number greater than 0, and less than 10. And n is always integer. Integer means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now let's take examples. For example, 3000. So it can be written in scientific notation 3 into 10 raised to power 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is a decimal number greater than 0. 3 is a decimal number greater than 0 and less than 10. And 3 is integer. Let's one more example. It can be written as in scientific notation 423 multiply 2 zeros are there, so it can be written as 10 raised to power 2, but these numbers are greater than 10, so we have to make it less than 10. So we have to we need to put decimal after 4. To make it less than 10, we have to divide and multiply with 100. 423 divide 100 and multiply also with 100. Multiply 10 raised to power 2. It can be written as 4.23 multiply 10 raised to power, it can be written as 10 raised to power 2, and here is also 10 raised to power 2. Bases are same and multiply sign is between them, so powers will add. It becomes 4.23 multiply 10 raised to power 2 plus 2, 4. And one more example, less than 0, 0.0008. We have to make it a decimal number greater than 0 and less than 10, so we have to divide it with 8. Divide 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be written as 8 divide 10 raised to power 4. It can be written as 8 into 10 raised to power minus 4. This is a scientific notation or standard form. So after that, let's start exercise 2.2. Question number 1, exercise 2.2. Question number 1, express the following into standard form. Let's take first part, 0.00067. So these numbers are less than 0. So we have to make it greater than 1, greater than 0 and less than 10. So we have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it can be written as 67 divide 10 raised to power 9. It can be written as 67 multiply 10 raised to power minus 9. These numbers are greater than 10. So we have to make this number less than 10. So we have to divide by 100 and multiply also 100. 10 and multiply 10 raised to power minus 9. It becomes 6.7 multiply 10 raised to power 1. Base are same and multiply sign is between them and power will add up. So it becomes 10 raised to power 1 minus 9 minus 8. This is the answer. And second is B part. This is the second question. So we can write it as 2 zeros are there. Multiply 10 raised to power 2. We have to make it less than 10. So we have to multiply and divide with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there. And multiply also 10 raised to power 2. It can be written as, insert the point here, 1.25436 multiply 10 raised to power 5 into 10 raised to power 2. So it becomes 1.25436 multiply 10 raised to power will add up. 5 plus 2, 7. This is the answer. C part. Next. $345. These numbers are greater than 10, so we have to make it less than 10. So we have to divide by 100 and multiply 100 also. So it becomes 3.45. 3.45 multiply 10 raised to power 2. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is express the following in usual form. First question is in standard form and the second is express the following in usual form.
This is the standard form, no?
Yes.
You are going to convert it into usual form.
This is the standard form. We are going to convert it usual form. So it becomes 5.23. It can be written as 523 divided by, remove the point, 100 multiply 10 raised to power 4. it can be written as 523 multiply 10 raised to power, divide 10 raised to power 2 multiply 10 raised to power 4. So it becomes 523 multiply 10 raised to power 4 multiply 10 raised to power minus 2. It becomes 500 10 raised to power 2 goes numerator, so it becomes 10 raised to power minus 2. 523 multiply 10 raised to power 4, base are same and powers will add up, 4 minus 2. 523 multiply 10 raised to power 4 minus 2, 2. So it becomes 523, 2 zeros are there. This is the usual form. Next, is 2.05 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3. So it can be written as 205 divide 100. Remove the point. So point in place of point we can write it here 1, and after point 2 digits are there. So we put 2 zeros are here. Multiply 10 raised to power minus 3. 205 divide 100. 100 means 10 raised to power 2. Multiply 10 raised to power minus 3. It becomes 205 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3, and it can be written as 10 raised to power minus 2. 205 multiply 10 raised to power base are same and multiply sign is between them, and power will add up, as you know that minus 3 plus minus 2. So it becomes 205 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3 plus minus 2. So minus 3 minus 2, it becomes 10 raised to power minus 5. So it can be written as 205 divide 10 raised to power 5. 205 divide 10 raised to power 5 means it can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point is there. So that is the usual form. Next is D part. Rest of these parts you will do at home. D part 3.45 multiply 10 raised to power 8. It can be written as, remove the point, multiply 10 raised to power 8. So it becomes 345 divide 10 raised to power 2 multiply 10 raised to power 8. It becomes 345 multiply 10 raised to power 8 multiply goes here 10 raised to power minus 2. 345 multiply 10 raised to power base are same, powers will add up. Now it becomes 8 minus 2. 345 multiply 10 raised to power 8 minus 2, 6. So it becomes 345. 6 zeros are there. This is the usual form. Thanks. Rest of parts you will do at home. Thank you.